Are you getting ready for a trip? Whether you're flying across the country or the globe, there are some essential items you'll need to pack in your handbag. In this video, we'll share the 9 most essential items every traveler should have. Don't forget to pack these 9 essential items in your handbag for a hassle-free and relaxed journey. Now, let's get right into the good stuff. Number 1. Travel documents and passport holder. This is a no-brainer. You'll need your passport, ID, and other travel documents to get through security and board your flight. Number 2. Toiletry bag. You'll need some basic toiletries to freshen up during your flight. Pack a small bottle of shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothpaste, and toothbrush. Number 3. TSA-approved liquids bag. The TSA limits the amount of liquids you can bring in your carry-on bag. Pack your liquids in a clear quart-sized bag to be quickly inspected. Number 4. Prescription medications. If you take any prescription medications, pack them in your carry-on bag. You should also bring a copy of your prescription with you. Number 5. Charger and power bank. Your phone, laptop, and other devices must be charged during your flight. Pack a charger and a power bank so you don't run out of juice. Scene 7. Eye mask and earplugs. If you want to get some sleep on your flight, pack an eye mask and earplugs. These will help you block out the light and noise so you can rest. Number 7. Book or magazine. Bring a book or magazine to keep you entertained during your flight. This is especially important if you're on a long transit. Number 8. Journal and pen. If you're creative, bring a journal and pen to write down your thoughts and ideas. This is a great way to pass the time and maximize your flight. Number 9. Sunglasses. If you're flying during the day, pack a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun. So, those are the 9 most essential items to carry in your handbag for airplane travel. Do you have any other must-have items to include in your packing list? We'd love to hear your suggestions, so drop them in the comments section below. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and advice. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.